Hello, my friends. Well, I hope you'll forgive me, but I'm doing yet another Dutch pour. I have some paint left over, and of course I hate to see it go to waste, so I'm going for it. I finally was able to use up the pink I had mixed so much of by adding it to the leftover blue, so I have a nice lavender color for my base coat. And then I had these three colors left over from yesterday: Maganese blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green blue. And then I bought a couple of tubes of paint from the dollar store. No, the 99-cent store. I saved a little money the other day. And they're very pretty colors. And I mixed it up, but it was lumpy yesterday. So I set it aside. And today it's all dissolved and very nice consistency. So I'm going to use it. It's a very similar color to this one, but I think it's a metallic. It doesn't say on the tube, but it appears to be one, and I do see a little bit of a shimmer. So we'll see how that works. So I'm going to go ahead and I won't pause. I'll just pour this on now. It's not a very big amount, and you can see. And I did see some lumps in there as I poured the pink into the blue, so I may have to do some picking. All right, I haven't done there's a big lump right there. And I misplaced my tweezers. I can't remember what I was about to say. Okay. Not much to that. And I saw another something. Maybe that was it. Yeah, there's probably a few in there. Oops. This is a silly little palette knife. It's good for mixing paint colors, but okay. Let's go for it. I think I'll start with the new color. I'm going to do kind of a Y-shaped thing. I don't think I can go wrong with that. We'll see. I hope I don't have to do a bunch of adjustments with this pour like I have with the past few I've done. I've ended up doing quite a bit of scraping and playing with, and I hope I won't have to with this one. Oop. That's pretty together. And here's that Maganese blue. Very similar to the new one. Okay. So, I might as well use up the paint. It's going to be very blue, isn't it? I do love the phthalo blue green blue rather. I don't have much of that left, but Okay, that's all I can do. Okay, here we go. So my plan is just blow that way, and this way, and I should be done. Let's see. Oh, that's fun. I didn't hit the hair dryer very much there, but that's kind of a fun effect. I think I'll leave that. I'm liking the little round cells. And yeah. I may be done with it. Finally, one that just went according to plan. I like how the stripey thing here is kind of echoed there. I'm very pleased with it. I'm leaving it alone. Let me turn it. The round canvas, there's so many ways it can go, but I think I've turned it toward you the way I prefer it. Let's see. Yeah. I'm leaving it alone. I'll bring you in for a closer look. I took the wrong glove off. Okay. I am so pleased to finally have discovered a formula that works for me where I get the effects I like. I'm very happy with the size and shape of these cells. Right there, that's probably about as big as they get. And they're maintaining nice roundness, and I like the lacing look up there. This is a very pretty section over here. I think the larger cells are that the 99-cent paint. I may have to do a pour with just that inexpensive paint. I think I got about 5 tubes of different colors. Okay, well, this was easy peasy. And I like it. I'm very pleased with it. Okay, friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.